The best AI tool for generating images is Nano Banana Pro. You can create things like this, or even this. So what exactly can Nano Banana Pro do? Stay tuned until the end.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Genius. In this video, I'll be experimenting with the Nano Banana Pro.
But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss other interesting content from Tekno Genius.
Okay, first we'll test it out with an image. I'm using tools from Luma Labs. The link is in the description.
I have already prepared some prompts, so I'll just copy, paste, and generate. Okay, look, that's pretty good, right? Let's try another prompt. And here's the result. From the first experiment using only text prompts, Nano Banana Pro is able to generate images that are both high quality and aligned with the given prompts. Next, I'll try creating a movie poster. Here's the result. It looks really good, although I didn't write the prompt in great detail, so some parts are lacking. But for a minimalist poster, this is more than enough. Moving on, this time I'll try changing the background of a character photo. For the model, I'll use a well-known figure, Jennifer Lawrence. I'll transform this image so that she appears to be at the beach. Let's see the result. Alright, here it is. The face remains unchanged, although the angle is slightly turned to the side. Let's try again with a forward-facing angle. See? The result from Nano Banana Pro is really impressive, especially for realistic outputs. Next, I'll try face swapping. Here, I'm using Tom Holland as the reference and a scene from Jackie Chan. I'll attempt to swap Jackie Chan's face with Tom Holland's. Alright, the result shows that the face swap worked, but there's a difference in color. This could be caused by the quality of the source image. Let's try again with another image. This time, I'll swap the face of a person diving in mid-air. And look at that, it works much better, and the result looks great. For the next experiment, I'll try adding a character into an existing image. For example, I'll create a scene where Jennifer Lawrence meets Tom Holland in one frame, even though they come from separate sources. And And as you can see, the result blends perfectly. The faces remain unchanged, and it looks very realistic. Next, I'll try creating animated character. First, I'll generate a 3D animated character using Tom Holland's face as a reference. And here's the result. Now I'll create an anime-style character using Tom Holland's face. And here's the result. It looks pretty good, right? Next, I'll create game-style characters in both 3D and 8-bit versions. And here are the results. For the final experiment, I'll use Nano Banana Pro to break apart objects. Here, I'm trying it on a car and a smartphone. And boom, here are the results. The objects are taken apart, revealing their internal components.
So that's it, friends. Our video this time is about what Nano Banana Pro can do.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.